In today's video, I want to guide you on how to pin a particular folder into the taskbar irrespective of that folder. By default, you only have the Explorer here, which is the first one. So this video, at the end of this video, you're going to have another folder pinned to your taskbar. This process is very simple. Guys, if you find tip at the end of this project, please kindly like and subscribe to this project. The first thing you have to do is to right click on the folder you want to pin to taskbar, like this one. Right click on it, then click on more option, then click on this button and send a shortcut here. Now you have the shortcut right away on the desktop. Now that I've done that, right click on this desktop again, I made the shortcut again, then click on properties. Once you click on properties, you have yourself at this place under the properties general shortcut. Now under shortcut, you see what we call target. Now click at the back of whatever folder you have here. Here is C, yours might be D or whatever. Now type in Explorer .exe, then space. Once you've done that, then click on OK button. Once you click on OK button, here is the shortcut. You have the shortcut here. Now to add this shortcut to the taskbar here, this is the final step you have to do. Right click on the shortcut again, then click on show more option. Now go ahead and click on pin to taskbar. Boom, you have it here. Now to be sure that whatever we've pinned to the taskbar is what is here, and don't forget we are pinning our MS class. Let's open this MS class here first. You have the folder here. Take a look at the folder here carefully. Let me close it. Now let me click on the taskbar here, pinned in place of MS class. Then once you click on it, you're going to have the same folder here. Let me expand. You can see it, guys. So this is the same process, guys, on how to pin any folder to your taskbar within a very few seconds. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.